I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can change the swipe up gesture in Samsung Wallet. So first off, you will have to launch Samsung Wallet from your phone. After that, you will have to select the menu tab in the lower right corner of the screen. So it'll be right there. And then tap the settings icon. It's the gear icon in the top right corner there. After that, you just have to select quick access. This is what will control what's the gesture and what's the quick access on our phone is. After that, you just have to select access location and default card. After that, turn off the toggles besides lock screen, home screen, and screen off. Now, this will turn off all of the swipe up gesture on Samsung Wallet, so make sure you turn all of those off. Now, if you want to change it back to on, it's the same process. Just turn it all back on, tap on the slider, it'll move to the right and it'll turn blue, and then that's it. The Samsung Wallet swipe up gesture is returned on. But of course, if you want to turn it off, make sure it's slided all the way to the left. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.